Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to get access to the comp calendar and enter your rehearsal requests. So I created a new email address and I invited myself to the comp calendar. So I'm in my Gmail and I clicked on that invitation, and now I'm going to click on Join Shared Calendar and add. Got it. Okay, so I'm here in my personal Google Calendar, but this should work for our purposes. So I'm going to, after I've accepted the invitation and I make sure that it's in my calendars, or it's in other calendars for you guys. It's in my calendars because I made it. Then I want to make sure that I select comp. There's nothing in there, but I also want to select ECU dance rehearsals. Now, if you're not on this calendar, email me and I will add you, and you need to go through this basic process. So I'm going to select that, and that's going to show me where there is space and time to rehearse. So I can see that 1:15 should be available tomorrow night, let's say at 7 o'clock. So I'm going to deselect that calendar and go to 7 o'clock on Tuesday. And I'm going to enter, Donna, Improv 2. Now, I don't recommend putting in the space that you want. You can at the end of the day, it's fine, but it may get changed. So I don't want you to think that you have it just because you enter it. So I'm going to enter the time, and then I can also I can make the rehearsal repeat either weekly, which would be forever, or custom, and then I can set an end date under custom. It's up to you, or you can just make individual rehearsals. Okay, so I can also double check to make sure I'm in the correct calendar. I am. I'm going to click save. There it is. Now I can, if I want to double check or triple check or whatever it is, I can come in here and make sure, yes, it's in comp, has all the right details. So then I can save it again. That's basically it. Then you want to I'll go ahead and show you how to, if I want to do Tuesday and Thursday, for example, I can click on custom, add Thursday, and then set it to end, let's say, the week of our showings. And that way, every Tuesday and Thursday, if I wanted all of those, which I don't know that you would, but it would go in there automatically. And there you can see another comp rehearsal request is in there. So these requests will be dealt with by Amara Barnes or Andrea Partidas, and they will then enter these into the Dance GCal. So if I was to do it, I would come and I would see, oh, there's some comp ones. That looks like it works. So then because I have access to those calendars or to the GCal, I could just change it over and add 1:15. And then it would change it. And then you would see it show up in the regular GCal. It would then not show up, in the comp calendar, right? Because it's been moved over. So if you see your comp reservation requests go away, just double check and they should be in the regular GCal. If they're not, email me, Amara, and Andrea to check in. After you enter them, you can also just email us to ask that they be entered. That's totally up to you, but they are checking that calendar periodically. Hopefully this is helpful. Let me know if you have questions, and have a great day.